You know that you can make one.
Money is useless until it is used. $1 billion or 1 billion friends. Which would you take?
Yo, what's going on, guys?
You don't need money, dude. You need people. People have the next money you want. You should put money in the marketing. You should promote yourself, not put money where you and the kids live.
What's going on, guys? Lux Crypto here, back at it with another video, another moon gem video for you guys. And today we're going to be discussing Viking poker. Now, this is an awesome new crypto poker game that is very unique, guys, and you can play on Android or Windows currently, and they also have NFTs backing their project. It's a really cool concept, so we're going to go over how it works. I'm going to show you a little tutorial as well, and I'm going to show you how you can claim a free NFT and start playing Viking poker today completely free, guys. So you want to head over to viking.poker, connect your wallet. I'll leave the link in the description below. And then you want to go ahead and claim your gift bag. Now, once you claim the gift bag, you will have to do a couple of other steps in order to actually claim your NFT. So once you click claim the gift bag, you will put in your Discord name, your Twitter name, and your Telegram, all of your usernames. And once you do that, you will see this right here, and it says join our official group and send your wallet address to the bot for verification. Now, you can do this on Telegram. It's really simple, guys. So join their Telegram. The link will be in the description below. They will give you a link to claim your free NFT, and it will take you to this bot, and then you go ahead and click start. And then what you do is you will go ahead and send them your BNB Smart Chain address in the chat, and they will say wallet address confirmed. Now, once you do that, you need to go ahead and join all of their other servers. So join their Discord, follow their official Twitter, and once you have followed their Twitter and you have went to their Telegram and verified your wallet address, the next step is very simple. Go back to their viking.poker website, and once you do that, you will be able to claim your free NFT. Refresh the page if you don't see it immediately. Once you reload it, you should see that you can claim it, and it is there, and then you will get your NFT, and you will also see this message that says, congratulations, you obtained your NFT. Now, after you get your NFT, the next step is to go ahead and download the game on Android or Windows, okay? And then once you get into the game, you will sign up by you'll go ahead and click on connect your wallet. So once you click that, it'll give you the option MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and then you just tap it, and then you sign the transaction, and it doesn't cost anything to sign the transaction, and this will pair your wallet with your downloaded version of the game so that you can start playing Viking poker. Now, another good thing is that once you log in, you will be able to claim another free NFT. All right. And they are also issuing their white lists, and you can find information on that on their viking.poker, and you can go ahead and get in on the white list. Now, later on, they will have gold matches and token matches among the other features that they do have available right now. But these two specific, the gold match and the token matches, will be a place where users can P2E and win from prize pools. All right, guys, so this will be really cool in the near future. So this game is pretty awesome so far. And there are multiple different types of modes, okay? So right now they have their friend battles. They have a gold contest as well, guys, so pretty cool. And then they have their competitions, and you can win prizes with zero threshold, as well as a ranking category that you guys can check out. This game is pretty in-depth, guys. They have heroes and mounts that you guys can collect and use in the game. Now, this is a battle style poker game. It's not like regular poker at all, but it does work on the concept of poker hands. So it's pretty cool stuff, guys. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you a few-minute tutorial going over all the basics and how the game works so you guys can get a feel for it, get excited, and learn what you need to learn so you guys can start playing right now.
Card combination includes single, high card, single pairs, set, card strength, rid, all the combos of play cards. This round we play pair 4 first. Please choose the 2 4 play cards. Click play to make the first round attack.
Pairs.
We played pair 4. The enemy can only reply with a higher pair or a bomb.
Pairs.
The player who chooses to end his turn first will start the next round. Starting from your second turn, let's click pass to end this round. When every round ends, 2 cards will be drawn by each player. Because you end your previous turn first, you can start this round. Let's choose a set of 8s.
Triplets.
You won last round. This round your enemy will start the
Triplets.
turn. Joker is replacement for any card to complete a combo. Only 1 card can be replaced. 2 jokers can be only used as bomb instead of as replacement. Now, play the type of combo your enemy played on his turn or a bomb. Click play to attack your enemy.
Bomb.
When you run out of cards, you crit attack your enemy with 150% of your ATK. Let's learn 8 talents and abilities in second stage. This is the level of your hero, and your hero will learn primary/advanced/ultimate talents when he reaches level 1/3/5. Here you gain abilities, which will be given to you each round. This is your hero's talents. Tap your side to see more details of your hero. The talent to battle will increase max HP when the game begins. Tap meditate talent. The talent meditate will regenerate your hero's HP. Tap red fever talent. The talent red fever allows you to use heart or diamond 5 as replacements for any combo, like jokers. Tap close to exit. This is your abilities. Every player will get an ability each round. You can tap the ability to release it when it's your turn. Pre and hold the ability, you will see details. Let's hold it. We will take the lead this time. Now we can use your legitimate talent Red Fever to play the straight combo. Let's tap play button to attack.
Straight.
One chance is a drawing ability. The effect is to draw 1 card from the deck.
Straight.
We have no combo to fight back. Tap pass button to end this round. When your hero's HP is low, you can use healing abilities like Miraculous Cure to regenerate HP. Click the ability button to release it. Miraculous Cure is a healing ability. The effect is to regenerate 1. Please choose 3 this time. Click play.
3. 5.
You can release an ability before playing your all abilities need to be released or activated before you click the ability Bully to release. Bully is a drawing ability. The effect is to steal a card or an ability from your enemy. The cards to steal, click OK to steal ability from your enemy. Good job. You can use Strike is an attacking ability. It will add 100 ATK to your hero in this round. Pay attention, we have 200 ATK this round. Now, click play.
9. 10.
Every player will play 1 turn each. After the second turn of each round, Magician will regenerate some HP based on her lost HP on the 3rd turn. When you run out of cards, you crit attack your enemy with 150% of your ATK. Please choose the click play.
Ace.
Alright guys, so as you can see, really awesome game so far, pretty cool concept guys. Like I said, it's not like regular poker, it's a battle style poker game. It has poker features, so I think it's really interesting guys. So you definitely want to check this out if you want to claim a free NFT while they're still free, because they won't always be free, but for right now you guys can claim a free NFT, join their communities, get in on some fun, get your friends into the game, play the game, and earn some crypto guys with Viking Poker. Now, they will be releasing a lot of new features and updates for the game and for the project behind the game, so you definitely want to join the community so you don't miss out on everything they're doing. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, but if you would like to check them out and play the game, I'll leave all the links in the description below for you guys so you can get in, start playing right now. If you find this video useful in any way, please drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you these awesome Moon Gem videos. And with that being said guys, Lux Crypto out.